So now the first reason your toilet is running, let me tell you why. It's gonna be this buoyant floater right here. It is. So boom, that probably doesn't shoot all the way up. See, this is probably down there and it's not coming all the way up. So maybe you need some W40, loosen it up right there. Another thing you can do is also adjust this lower so it has a better chance of shutting off. Okay, so you can adjust this. That's another thing you can do. And if that doesn't work, then this thing is just ready to go and ready to be replaced. I can show you a DIY, or just call a professional. That's nothing too complicated. Another reason why your water is running is because this flapper right here. This flapper, if it's constantly leaking, the toilet wants to make up all the water it lost. It's gonna try to refill itself back right there. So that means this is automatically gonna turn on so the toilet can refill itself. So if it's constantly leaking, it's constantly losing water, and your water is just running and it's being wasted. So you definitely want to get that replaced. If it's not if it's not the flapper, it's not the floater, it might be this tube right here. Make sure everything's fully plugged in. Boom. If not, this whole thing can be replaced. You don't have to replace the toilet. You can replace all these little gadgets right here and you should be fine.